Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best salmon dog food is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make for your canine companion. With so many options on the market, finding the perfect grain-free salmon dog food can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, in this video, we'll dive deep into the world of grain-free salmon dog food, exploring what makes a great choice and helping you find the perfect meal for your furry friend. Number 5. Canidae Pure Salmon and Sweet Potato Recipe Dry Dog Food. This is Canidae Pure, a premium dry dog food. It features real salmon as the primary ingredient, ensuring a delicious taste. This recipe is crafted with your dog's health in mind. The recipe includes whole ingredients like menhaden fish meal, peas, and sweet potatoes. These ingredients provide a taste that dogs love. It's a complete and balanced meal. This recipe is made with 10 or fewer key ingredients, making it ideal for dogs with sensitivities. It's designed to be easily digestible and gentle on their stomachs. It's formulated with antioxidants and probiotics. These support a healthy digestive and immune system. It also includes vitamins and minerals for healthy joints, skin, and coat. Canidae is committed to creating a world of goodness. Premium proteins and regeneratively farmed ingredients nourish pets and the planet. Every bowl sets a new standard for pet food. What we like. This food features real salmon as the first ingredient, ensuring a delicious meal. With a limited ingredient list, it's perfect for dogs with sensitivities. If your dog needs a gentle, easily digestible food, this is a great choice. What people say. With only 8 key ingredients, this recipe minimizes the risk of adverse reactions while still delivering balanced nutrition. The salmon provides high-quality protein to support lean muscle mass, while the sweet potatoes offer a digestible source of energy. Since switching to Canidae Pure, I've noticed several positive changes in my dog's health. His coat is glossier, his skin is free from irritation, and he maintains a healthy weight. Number 4. Canidae Pure Salmon and Sweet Potato Recipe Dry Dog Food. Introducing Canidae Pure, a delicious and nutritious dry dog food. This recipe features real salmon as the primary ingredient, ensuring a taste your dog will love. It's crafted with wholesome ingredients for a balanced diet. This recipe is perfect for dogs with sensitivities. It's made with 10 or fewer key, easily recognizable ingredients. This helps support healthy digestion and overall well-being. It provides complete and balanced goodness for adult dogs. This formula includes antioxidants and probiotics to support a healthy immune system. It also contains vitamins and minerals for healthy joints, skin, and coat. The recipe includes real salmon, menhaden fish meal, peas, and sweet potatoes. These ingredients provide the essential nutrients your dog needs. It's a recipe that focuses on quality and taste. Canidae is committed to creating a world of goodness. Premium proteins and regeneratively farmed ingredients nourish pets and the planet. Every bowl reflects this commitment to quality and sustainability. What we like. This food features real salmon as the first ingredient, ensuring a delicious meal. With a limited ingredient list, it's perfect for dogs with sensitivities. If your dog needs a gentle, easily digestible food, this is a great choice. What people say. With only 8 key ingredients, this recipe minimizes the risk of adverse reactions while still delivering balanced nutrition. My dog, who has a sensitive stomach, has shown significant improvement since we switched to this food. No more digestive issues or skin irritations, just a happy, healthy pup. The salmon provides high-quality protein to support lean muscle mass, while the sweet potatoes offer a digestible source of energy. Additionally, the recipe includes a blend of vitamins, minerals, and probiotics to support overall health, including immune function and digestive health. My dog's coat has never been shinier, and his energy levels are fantastic. This food has been perfect, she even looks trim and fit, as the other food just made her look more like boxy looking. I know, Frenchie's bodies are a mix and match looks. We started with the rice and salmon, she liked it, but they ran out of it and tried the salmon sweet potatoes, and that one hit the spot. Now she can devour her plate, not even slow feeder seems to slow her down. So far, we have seen an improvement in her coat and energy, and she seems to be fuller with this food. Number 3. Natural Balance Salmon and Sweet Potato Small Breed Dog Food. This food features salmon as the primary protein source, delivering essential amino acids. It helps maintain strong muscles, ensuring your dog stays active and healthy. It's a delicious and nutritious choice. The recipe includes sweet potatoes as a grain-free fiber source. This supports healthy digestion, which is especially important for sensitive dogs. This formula is designed to be gentle on their stomachs. With sensitive pets in mind, this food uses a simplified list of ingredients. It supports a healthy coat, skin, and digestive system. It's made with a single animal protein source, and no added grains, soy, gluten, or artificial colors or flavors. This recipe is specially formulated for small dogs. The smaller kibble size makes it easier for them to eat. It provides balanced nutrition tailored to their needs. Any dog can enjoy this recipe, not just those with sensitivities. It reduces the number of ingredients without sacrificing taste or nutrition. It's a great choice for any dog owner. Natural Balance tests every batch of food for safety. You can validate the bag on their site. This ensures your dog gets a safe and healthy meal every time. What we like. This food uses a single animal protein source, making it ideal for dogs with allergies. The grain-free recipe supports digestive health, and the small breed formula is tailored for smaller jaws. If you have a small dog with sensitivities, this is a great option. What people say. My dogs love this dog food. Good stuff in it. Best dog food, easy tolerated, improves stomach issues and skin look. Alternative protein, duck and sweet potato, dog good, able to use in place of extremely expensive prescription food for dog with IBD. Number 2. Blue Buffalo Basic Salmon Recipe Dry Dog Food. This dog food is made with real, high-quality salmon. It's the #1 ingredient in this recipe. Your dog will love it. This natural dog food is formulated for adult dogs. It contains healthy ingredients that support gentle digestion. It also includes omega-3 and 6 fatty acids for a healthy skin and coat. This grain-free dog food includes exclusive, antioxidant-rich LifeSource bits. These bits help support your dog's immune system. It's a great way to keep them healthy. This Blue Buffalo dog food contains no chicken or poultry byproduct meals. It also has no corn, wheat, or soy. It's a great choice for dogs with sensitivities. You'll receive a 22 pounds bag of Blue Basic Skin and Stomach Care adult grain-free dry dog food. The recipe is salmon and potato. It's a great choice for your dog. What we like. This food uses real salmon as the primary ingredient, providing high-quality protein. It also includes antioxidant-rich LifeSource bits for immune support. If you are looking to boost your dog's immune system and support a healthy coat, consider this. What people say. I have 2 Newfies and have been using this brand for the last 3 years after having my dogs get sick on a supposed high-quality food from another source. They have done great on it, and I have never seen their coats be so shiny and soft. When my new fur baby had food allergies, I decided to go with the best. Within a week her redness was gone. Her scratching and biting subsided, and after 3 weeks her bald spots are no more. We recently switched to Blue Buffalo due to our previous dog food being discontinued. First thing I noticed was the quality of the food as soon as I opened the bag. Noticed a huge difference in our dog's coats and energy levels. Number 1. Merrick Grain-Free Salmon and Sweet Potato Dog Food. This is Merrick's grain-free recipe featuring real salmon. It's packed with wholesome ingredients and is designed for adult dogs. The first ingredient is always real deboned salmon. This recipe is completely grain-free, offering a natural and balanced diet. It's made with real food ingredients and added vitamins and minerals. This helps to support your dog's overall health. The recipe includes a blend of 57% protein and healthy fats to maintain lean muscle and energy. The other 43% includes produce, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This ensures a complete and balanced meal. Merrick provides 69% of its protein from animal sources, ensuring high protein levels. It contains no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. It's a healthy and natural choice for your dog. The food contains omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids for a healthy skin and coat. It also includes glucosamine and chondroitin for healthy hips and joints. This helps keep them active and comfortable. What we like. This food features real deboned salmon as the first ingredient and a high protein content to support lean muscle mass. It's also grain-free, ensuring a wholesome meal. If you like to provide a high-protein diet for your dog, this is a great choice. What people say. When I switched her from her old dog food which had corn, etc. in it as most commercial dog foods do, she lost weight without changing any of her other routines and stopped being hungry all the time. This is the best dog food I have ever gotten. I started using it about 5 years ago when I got my golden doodle because he had problems with digestion and scratching since he started using the salmon and the sweet potato. More scratching, no more holes in the skin, no digestive problems, all of the dogs love it. My one dog is allergic to peas, I learned. So I get foods without peas and with sweet potato. This is my go-to recipe. I try different brands periodically. I know not to change dog food. But this is the brand I'm sticking with because they have good poop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.